Hello guys, welcome back to Architectural World. In today's episode, we're going to be designing a four-bedroom duplex on a land size of 50 by 100. Sorry for the long break. I've been really busy, that's why. So today, this is a fresh design. This is a client's design. So I don't want to design it and bring it up to stage. I want us to do it exactly. I have a land size of 50 by 100. That's like, let's say, 15 meter. That's 15 meter by 300. This angle is 3. I'm trying to plot it. Okay. Then we have the other 15 meter. Okay. Perfect. This is our land size. This is our land size. Is a client request, guys. This is a client request. I don't just design. I always bring to you guys what I'm being paid to do. That's more reason why you have to always follow my class. And this is going to be a long class, guys. This is really going to be a long class because I intend to do the structural analysis so that you guys can be able to understand what it takes to get a complete plan done. I'm going to do the structural analysis close to the column level. That's where I'm going to stop. I'm going to do it close to the column level. So please, if you've come across this channel before, you realize that we don't rush our class. We take our time to analyze them very well. Most especially since I'm doing a fresh class for you guys. So you're supposed to know that I really don't rush my class. I always do everything that I need to do right now. So if today is the first time you're coming across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out our amazing class. Yep, so you don't miss it out. So this is a four-bedroom duplex that I want to design. I've not done the job before. It's not copy and paste. We don't do copy and paste here. We always bring in new stuff. We always bring in new stuff for you guys. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be bringing to you guys new stuff. Okay. So first of all, this is my land. I always tell you guys, approval standard for all building is 1.5 or 2 meter. So I want to design something. So first thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take away 1.5 meter from this. That's what I'm going to take away, 1.5 meter. Okay, fair enough. Then let me try this side, 1.5 meter. Okay, fair enough. Then let's take this back to be 2 meter in case of safety tank. Let's take 2 meter from this side. Okay, now guys, this is a complete plan. Let's do it this way. Now you are an architect. Please, let's not rush our class so we end up getting what we really want. Because the moment we rush the class, we're not going to get what we want. Now, you are an architect and I am the landowner. I gave you a job. I said, give me a four-bedroom duplex on a land size of 50 by 100. How do you solve it? I don't want to copy and paste. I don't want to teach you some kind of things. I'm not just here to create audience and make money from YouTube. No, I'm here to impart my knowledge on everybody who come across my channel so that they can be able to pay their bills with this medium. So now, this is the land. This is what the client has. This is what the client has. And I'm trying to work with what the client has given me. So first of all, you know very well that this plan is going to go for approval. So there are some things you need to put into proper dimensions, and that's what I just did, the offset. So after the offset, I'm left with 11.5 meter. That's what I'm left with, 11.5 meter. That is what I'm left with. Now, how do I design a four-bedroom duplex that's going to fit into this dimension, and I'm still going to have all this external space in the compound? This is where what you pay for is going to be you put into action. So first of all, guys, we come to our design tools. We go to our wall settings. Okay, don't forget we are doing a story building, and 80% of all the building out there that are story, they are always going with a block thickness of 2 to 5 millimeter. Because if you check your Google very well, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys structural analysis on this class. That's why I said we're not going to rush it. If you check your Google very well, you will realize that the minimum column size for a storage building is 2 to 5 millimeters square. So if you are doing a story building design, you are doing it below 2 to 5 millimeter, you are breaking the construction code. If you are using a block wall of 150 millimeter for a story building, it's wrong because the bigger the column, the more it can hold tension and compression. That is what you need to understand. Okay, we're going to go into that during the structural analysis. Now we are on the architectural analysis, and this class is going to cover from architectural, electrical, mechanical, and structural. I'm going to give you guys 50% of the structural while you guys sort out the rest. So first, I'm going to use the block wall of 2 to 5 millimeter, and this is the damp-proof course. One thing about me is that if I'm doing my design, I first of all invest my time on the 3D before going to the 2D and the analysis. So first of all, let's come to this way, come to story settings. Then let's change our damp-proof course to 1350 millimeter. Then let's change this to DPC level. Let's change this to DPC level. Okay, DPC level. Let's say DPC level. Then let's put this to ground floor. Ground floor. Okay. Let's put this to ground floor. Then let's put this to first floor. First floor. Okay, so let's click OK. Then go back to our DPC level. So we have what we first created. Okay, so we'll come to our wall settings. We come down to this place. We pick our wall tools. We come to modeling. We turn on all this. Now, I really don't know what I'm designing. So I just want to pick one layout. So I'm going to pick Flemish bond, make it all true. Now, this is my wall. This is my wall. This is what I'm trying to design. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to design. So the next thing I want to do right now, don't forget that the client said I should design a 4-bedroom duplex. So I'm going to take the first wall from this place and put it here. Okay, this wall, I want to move this wall this way, inside. Okay, then I don't like this way the wall is, so don't mind my voice. I've been really stressed out lately. So I'm going to rotate a copy of this. I'm just going to rotate a copy of this wall. Then I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to move it to this spot. Okay, then I delete this. I delete this. I delete this. Now this is my wall. You can see this. What I just did now means that my building is starting from this angle. This is my starting point of this building. That this is the leftover area on the back side. This is the leftover area, and this is the right side leftover area. Let me copy this wall to the spot so we understand ourselves very well. Now I'm trying to work with this frame. Okay, now you can see, let me take this off so you understand very well. Let me take all this off because I'm through with. I've squared my building. I just squared the building. So you can see that this is the land that I was given, and this is what I'm working with. So which means I have 1.5 meter on this spot, 1.5 meter on this spot, and I have 2 meter here, and I have almost 3 meter here. So now since I've gotten my square of the building, the length of the building doesn't really matter because I have a lot of areas to play with. Don't get it twisted. I have a lot of area to play with during the length. The main basic part of this building is just the width. The width is where I have to be very, very calculative. So now, since I'm designing a 4-bedroom duplex, the first thing that has to come into your mind is that this is a residential building, and 80% of the residential building out there always makes use of ante-room. Ante-room is the mini parlor that you come across before going into the main parlor, being the main lodge. So first of all, you have to visualize the ante-room. You see, this is the part where, as an architect, you have to be very careful. What I mean is that there are a lot of architects out there that design a building having excessive waste inside due to lobby creation, trying to have cross ventilation. You, as an architect, you have to understand the basic of maximizing the land that you have into good use, not creating unnecessary walls, openings, and the rest. So first of all, we need an ante-room. And now, first, the next thing you need to put into consideration is where is the access road. Now, for my surveyor plan that was given to me, The access road is coming from this way. That's where the access road is coming from. It's coming from this way. This is the back side of the building. So the main front side of the building is within this section because this is the gate. Let me signify it. Let me show you. I'll come to my design tools. This is the gate. This is the gate. The gate is coming towards this spot. This is where the gate is coming. Okay. So which means whatever I'm designing, I have to design to face this angle. So now, first of all, what do I really need to do? What do I need to do? Is to create the room. Let's start from the back. So let's assume we're taking a room size of 3.3 meter and a block thickness of 2 to 5 millimeter. That makes it 3525. Okay, I've gotten that. Now I need a toilet. I want to show you how to form a plan. You can't just form everything together. First, look for one particular thing. Now I need a toilet to serve this room. So I'm going to copy this wall, and I'm going to give because this is the maid room. So I'm going to give he or she a toilet of 1.2 meter, or let's say 1.3 meter. So if I have my block wall to it, now it's going to give me 1525 millimeter. Okay, let me copy this wall. 1525 millimeter. How do I duplicate? I put my hand on, at first I pick the wall I want to duplicate, I select it, then I put my hand on Control key, Control D, then I let go of the keyboard and press Control. And it's going to show me a sign plus. That is how I select. Now I've gotten my toilet. What do I need? I need the staircase room. I need the staircase room. Now, what am I going to give the staircase in width? I'm going to give the staircase width, let's say 2.4 meters, since it's a residential building, 2.4 meter. So if I add my 35 millimeter to it, that's 2.625 millimeter. Now, what is next? The next thing I'm looking for is my anteroom. What is anteroom? The mini parlor that I explained earlier, that's the anteroom. So I want to make that anteroom 2.4 meter width and square. I want everything to be square. So I'm going to duplicate this wall to 2.4 meter. That's 2625. Okay, 2625. I can just decide to make this 2.8 since I have a large area. So I'll bring this and add 200 to it. Okay, now what do I need? I need the entrance. I need the entrance. So the entrance should not be so really big. So I'm going to duplicate this and give it an entrance of 1.3 meter. That's 1525. You know, I have a block wall. Let me show you what I'm doing. I have a block wall. This 1535. Let me show you. This 15. You can see I have the entrance to be 1.3 meter. The reason I was using 1525 is because I added the block thickness to it. I added the block thickness. If you observe, it was this wall I offset to this wall. Now let's check that up. From this wall down to this wall is 1525. You can see it very well. 1525 because this is the block wall of 2 to 5 millimeter, and the moment you exclude this block wall, you're going to be having 1.3 meter left. So that's the entrance, which means this part is achieved. At first, it's not going to make sense, but it's going to make sense to you who is creating the design. Now, the next thing I want to do right now is my room. So I'm going to bring out the room here. The same 3.3 meter square, that's what I want to use because I want the kitchen to be large. 3.3 meter square, that's a 3625. Okay, this is my room. This is my room, and it's going to terminate within the staircase area. It's terminating here, so I'm taking this down from this spot. Okay, it's going to come up. Don't be in a haste. It's going to come up. Now, let me create this room. You can create everything together. Let's create a walkway of 1.1 meter. That's 1325. Okay, now this is my room and this is my toilet. This is my toilet. You can see very well. This is my toilet to this room. This is the toilet to this room. I can decide to put the door here or put the door here because I'm putting the entrance door at this spot. Okay, so after that being done, what do I need? I need a kitchen. I need the kitchen. So what do you think I'm going to give this kitchen? I prefer this kitchen to be 1.3 meter, 3.3 meter likewise. So I'm going to do 3525. That's what I'm going to give to this kitchen. Then the next thing I need is a kitchen store. I need the kitchen store. So what will I give the kitchen store? Let's give the kitchen store 1.5 meter. That's going to give us 1725 millimeter. Okay. Okay, do you think we should create an expansion to this? Okay, let's do the kitchen wall to be 2 meter. First, let's change this kitchen to, first, let's come to this room. I want this room to be, let's say, I want this room to be 3.6 meter, a little bit wider, that's 3825 millimeter. Then I want the kitchen to be 3.5 meter, that's 3725 millimeter. Okay, then I want the store to be 2 meter, that's 2225 millimeter. Okay, now I got the store. I'm going to take this wall off. I'm trying to create the design so you understand it very well. Okay, so I'm trying to create the design so you understand everything that we're doing very well. I'm coming, guys. Hold on. Okay, okay. Sorry for that break. So where was I? Where was I? I was trying to create the kitchen. Okay, now this is the main lot. This is the room, and this is the kitchen, right? Okay, now let's have the kitchen veranda. That's the Taurus. It's called Taurus. Either you use a balcony, veranda, or Taurus. So I'm going to take a Taurus of 1.2 meter. It's not really necessary. That's one 1425. Okay, I'm taking here down. Then I'm taking here down. Okay. Now, now I'm trying to complicate this design. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's take 1.2 meter from here. I need the lobby. Let's take 1.2 meter. What do you think? What do you think? I'm trying to think 1.2 meter. Okay, let's say 1425 millimeter. Let's take this down. Okay, 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 okay. Come in, come in. Let me check this. Let me see the length and width of this kitchen. 3.4 meter. Okay, it's fair enough. The kitchen is fair enough. 3.1 meter. Okay, okay. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. 0.1 meter. What's going to be left here? Let me check something. Oops, too small. Okay, I'm coming. Let's create let's create the dining wall. Now let's take this wall to be the dining wall. Let's check this out. Let's check this. That's 3.5 by 2.4. I think it's fair enough. Let's take all this down to be the dining. Okay, 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 okay. Let's take this down. You know, this is the staircase room. Don't forget, this is the staircase room. So let's check this flight. What do we have here? We have, let's take 900. 900. Okay, we have enough. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, coming. Okay, I'm trying to control the traffic. Okay, now let's take this to the 300, the dining. Okay, let's bring this wall this way. Let's split. You just have to split. Guys, you just have to follow what I'm doing because I'm really trying to work on on a client job. So I really don't have that much of the time. Let's just walk along. Just follow what I'm doing. Okay, let's bring this down, then take this up. This is the dining. This is the dining. Now I'm still thinking on something. Okay, let's keep going first. Let's keep going. Now, what do we have here? What do we have here? Let's have let's copy 1.2 meter, that's 1425. Okay, 1425, 1425. Okay, 1425. You coming, guys? Let's let's leave this wall first. Then let's work the anteroom. Let's come to this way. Let's create a split 2 here from this staircase wall. Let's split this wall. Then let's bring this to 900 millimeter. 900 millimeter. Okay, 900 millimeter. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. 900 millimeter. What do you think? Align this to this. Okay. Now let's see what we have here. What do we have here? We have 2.7 meter by 2.6 meter. Perfect. So let's take away 1.2 meter. That's 1425. Always remember to add your block wall to whatever you are doing. So let's take this wall straight up to the dining wall. Let's put this wall here. Let's drag the staircase wall to this wall. Okay. 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 Let's bring this wall this way to be the dining wall. We are trying to create something, guys. We're trying to create something. So let's just keep our fingers closed. Trying to create something. I know it's a little bit confusing here. I told you I'm not working it already made. Okay, let's do this to be. I'm going to explain what I'm doing. Okay, let's go for 300. Okay, what do you think? Let's go. Let's take this word backward again to this. Then let's drag this to this. Let's take this off. Then take this off. Okay, 300 being the dining. Then let's take this off first. Let's take this off. We are looking for, okay, okay, let's store. We have the utility from here. Okay, okay, guys, hold on. Don't be in a rush. Okay, so let's let's cut this wall. Let's cut this wall. Then let's take this to be 2 meter or 1.7 meter. Let's take this to 1.7 meter. Okay, let's bring this here. Move this wall to this spot. Okay, take this off, take this off, take this off. Okay, now what else do we need? Let's take this off. Same. Now let's check the main lodge. We have a main lodge of 5.8 by, okay, not impressed. I want this main lodge to be 6.5 meter. Not impressed. 6.5 meter. Let's work it out, guys. We can do it. Let's bring this wall. Let's create this. Let's create this to this. Okay. We bring this to this. Okay. So we take this to this. We take this to this. Okay, perfect. We take this off. Then we take this. Okay. Entrance. Entrance. Let's balance this off. Then take this off. Okay, what do I got here? I have 2.75 by 1.2 meter. Okay. Okay, now let's add this here. Let's add this here. Okay, Now let's work out a design. Let's work out a design here. Let's check this wall to be, I want this wall to be 600, to be 6 meter. I want this wall to be 6 meter. Okay, so this 6 meter wall, hold on, then I'm going to take this wall to this, then see what is left. This 6 meter wall, okay. Now I'll take this wall off, I'll take this wall off. So what do you think is left? Let's check. What do we have here? Okay, okay, not bad. Let's see what we got here. 2.7, not bad. Okay guys, you can see we're coming up with a design. So right now I still want to create another design here. I don't want it so simple. So this is 3 meter. 3 meter is the center of this main lodge. This 3 meter wall. Okay, this 3 meter. So let's come here. 3 meter. Okay, okay. What do I need? Let's go with 1 meter. Let's take 1 meter from this side, or 1.2, 1.2, 2.4. Okay, let's take 1.2 meter from this, 1,200 from this. Okay, then let's come here. Let's take the same thing, 1,200 from this. Okay, now let's create a wall. Let's copy a wall. Let's copy this wall from this to this. Paste it here. Let's repeat the same thing here. Paste it there. Now let's, oops, I moved, I didn't copy. I want to copy this to this. Okay, so I take all this off because I don't need them anymore. Take this off, I take this off. So I'm going to offset this wall 600 millimeter backward. Okay, I take this off, take this off, take this off, and take this off. Perfect, perfect. Okay, now I really don't want stress upward. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's bring this wall here. Let's extend this wall. Then let's bring this wall to touch. Let's bring this wall to match. Then let's take this off. Let's take this off, and let's take this off. Then let's take this off. Okay, guys. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Now, if you can see very well, you'll see that we just got our design. This is these are a 4 bedroom duplex, and this is the ground floor. Now let me explain this to you. Our next class I'm going to continue, but first this is the entrance, this is the ante room, and this is the visitor toilet here. From here you get access to the main lodge. This is the dining. This is the dining. I intend putting a bar here. I intend to put a bar here. Yeah, I intend to put a bar here. So automatically there's going to be a bar here. So let's put a bar of six, let's say 1,400 millimeter, a bar. Okay, that's a bar. So this is the bar, and this is the dining. Then there's the kitchen. There's going to be a lobby here to access this staircase. Then there's a room, and there's a room toilet, there's balcony, and this store. So guys, you can see very well, this is a 4 bedroom duplex, and this is the ground floor. Let me show you. Let me show you what we're doing. This is the ground floor. So if you're just coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So if I don't want to rush it, I don't want to rush it. Our next class, we're going to be working on the elevation. I told you that this is going to be a very long class, a very, very long class, because I want to do it for everything. Now you can see there's the entrance, there's the ante room, there's the guest room, guest toilet, there's the main lodge, dining, bar, staircase room, there's a lobby, there's a kitchen room, then this is the toilet, there's the balcony, and this is the kitchen store. There's no laundry here. The study is going to come upward. You can see it very well. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So let's save our project. Let's save our project. We'll come to wherever you want to save your project. You just go down to that spot. So I'm going to save a new folder. A new folder. I'm going to put Mr. Mike. Okay, that's the client name. So I'm going to save this to this. Then I'm going to save 3D to this and click OK. So I just got my project saved. So now, in case you're confused, let me give you the dimensions again. The main lodge is 6 meter by 6.5 meter. You can see very well. That's the main lodge. So please kindly follow my video carefully. Start from scratch, follow my video carefully. I love you guys. See you in our next class. Don't forget to hit the comment section in case you're having challenge. I don't want to rush this class because I'm already working on the plan. So don't forget to hit the comment section with your challenges. Don't forget to like and don't forget to share. See you guys in our next class. Love you.